Hi guys, in this video I'm going to discuss about checkbox list control in ASP.NET. So it's used for group of collection of list items. So let's understand by example. So this all code that I already written to save some time. So here I'm going to copy this first one and here going to paste inside source and here form tag. So at here this is the S2 anchor tag. So this will display on the waveform checkbox list example, and here this will also select option from a checkbox list. Now here this is the checkbox list control, and here the ID is this one, and here on selected index change. So when user click on check clicked, so right here or this or maybe you can select ASP.NET PHP, and here the auto postback property, this is on run at server, that means it will run on the server. Now here after let's go to designer. So here you can see checkbox and here selected, and here this is if you take the cursor at here, and here if you click here you can find checkbox list. Now if you click here, so here you can find event. So at here selected index change. Now here after text change, and here data provide, and here miscellaneous, these events are there. Now here you can see the properties. Now here after I'm going to double click there. So at here checked clicked even it's open. Now here after let's copy this part inside checked click event, and here so code part has been done. Now here you can see, so this is at here designer. Now here after let's execute and check the example first. After let's click on add here or select option from the checkbox list. So if I click on ASP.NET here, output it's displaying selected list ASP.NET. If I click add here JSP, so add here ASP with JSP. Now add here ASP, JSP and Java. So if I deselect, so add here it's displaying JSP and Java. Now here let's understand the code. So add here go to source part, and here you can see, so add here check box list example. So this is add here comes inside S2 tag. Now here it's displaying select option from the checkbox. So it's displaying this one. Now here after checkbox list, so add here this the ID on selected index change. So when add here that or click on check clicked, okay, so there is a one event generated at here checked click. Now here after, so here that can find go to add here source, and here you can find this code. Now here after scroll down, so here you can see at here, so first is label one dot text. So at here this is comes because of label, and here after for I value start from 0, and here checkbox list dot item. So total at here this count 1 2 3 4 5 6. So at here this will go till 6 0 to 5. Now here after this value is now at here 5, and here that go. So at here checkbox list. So at here 0 index ASP.NET, okay, dot selected. Now here that or checkbox list, and here item 0 position. So 0 position ASP.NET, so that here ASP.NET it's a display. Now here after that change the color. Now here the loop continue on. So next time that is now loop 1. So 1 less than 6 condition is true. So 1 position there is no any checked. So at here this is 2 position checked. So 2 less than 6 condition true. So at here item 2. Now here item 2 there is a JSP. So at here JSP text property, and here item 2 now that go to label 1 dot text, and here next color that change to 7. Now here after that check, add here this option, there is nothing here. That check, add here 0 1 2 3 4. So 4 less than 6, condition true, so add here item 4. So it's a selected. Now it's a selected, that become true. Now here after item 4 position, that go to add here level 1 dot text, and here this is a display job. So this is the code that for. And here after at this list, add here there is a 0 index ASP1 PHP 2 JSP3, and here like this that continue. And here with level 1 control level 1, so add here associated control ID checkbox. So add here this one checkbox ID that I associated control ID with the level 1 control. So this is the simplest example here. Now here after I'm going to explain one more thing. So I'm going to create new item. So right here going to create new waveforms. Now here after the next is go to designer part, and here you can find checkbox. So if you take the cursor at here, this is displaying version.NET component. Now here this is the checkbox. So at here either we can use at here edit items. So for edit item you can add multiple items. Now here after you can add it at here list items. So at here you can give text value. So like this you can give at here item 1, and here you can set the text value. So this will start giving 0. Now here you can set item 2. So if you don't want to write hard code, so you can do add here all the modification. So like this you can change add here the values. So add here you can see item 1, item 2, it's all are added. Now hereafter I'm going to delete, and here drag checkbox. Now next you can use add here choose data source. So add here click new data source, database, here new connection. So add here you can see Microsoft SQL Server. You can use Oracle database also. Here you need to give add here server name. Now let's give the server name, and here you can use SQL Server or Windows authentication. So let's give add here password. Here you can select database name and click on test. Click on OK. Now here this is Atom connection string, it's added. Now here click on next, and here this is the retrieving. So let's select add here. If you want, then here you can select any columns or all columns. So here I'm going to select add here dname. Now click on next. Here test query. So add here this is dname here. Now click on finish. And here this is dname, it's selected. Now hereafter click on OK. So at here this is not displaying at here. Now here you can when you execute on the browser, then you create at here dname. Here you can see dname, so accounting or research, and here select this all those things, it's displaying. Now here you can see the source code here. So let's go, and here after you can see so checkbox list. So this is the ID run it server, and here you can data source ID, and here you can find ASP SQL data source ID SQL data run it server connection string, and here select command. So this is add here command select dname from dpt. So this is the source code that is generated. So this is the way we can use add here checkbox list in ASP.NET. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.